Hey, I'm here at the former 12 Wings, and right now things look surprisingly similar. They've kept the brick facade at the front of the building there. They've changed the windows and siding for most of it. Some of the windows actually look similar. They kept these two old McGraw Edison parking lot lights, but then they added a new LED one there. So I was just talking to somebody yesterday. I think they kept a lot more stuff than they intended to because, oh yeah, they definitely, because look, that old HVAC disconnect is still there. Painted brown the way that I painted it. So they clearly kept a lot more than they intended, I think, because of the material shortage. They were originally going to gut it or possibly tear it all down. And I think when they, the material shortage happened and you couldn't get lumber, and this building was well built with, lots of lumber, so why not keep it? So, yeah, I'm going to ask for a tour when it's done, and if they allow me, I'll film. So, for those who are interested, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.